powered by Leaves. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one trick that will take your vegan hot chocolate to the next level. There is nothing more that I like on a winter day like this than to warm myself up with warm hot chocolate. And I think when it's cold outside, the thicker the better. Start off by adding 1 cup of plant milk to a pot on medium-high. I personally like oat milk. Then add a heaped tablespoon of good quality cocoa powder. Then add about 6 squares or how much ever you like of dark chocolate. I like using a 70% or more for that creamy bitterness. Now on medium-low heat, stir the milk. The chocolate will slowly melt and incorporate into the milk. Now for the secret ingredient that makes this hot chocolate super thick. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour into another glass with a little bit of milk and mix that thoroughly to form a slurry. Pour the slurry into the pot and stir continuously for 5 to 8 minutes on medium heat. It needs to be cooked, guys. Now we can pour this thick and creamy milk into a glass. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also add some whipped coconut cream, which is also super easy to make, and another vegan cream on top, with some shaved chocolate, of course. I just love how a little bit of cornstarch and bitter dark chocolate complement each other to form this super decadent drink. I really hope you guys can try it out sometime. It's just thick enough that it feels extremely rich, but it's still a drink. Until next time, lovely people.